December 31st, 2023, the very last day of the year. We're going to do a follow-up review of this Mr. Buddy, or Portable Buddy, 4,000 to 9,000 BTU. We've done one video of it, but we're going to do a follow-up of it. We have also bought the Mr. Buddy, or Mr. Heater, Little Buddy. We've used it in the van. It's, 4,000 BTU. Works very good. I like both of them. This one's sort of been in storage. We're going to start using it more. We're going to get it fired up and show you how it works. And also, if you want to connect it to a 20 or larger propane canister. I've got this 12-foot cord, and you can connect it directly, but that's not the way you should do it. It needs to be connected with a filter. From everything I have been able to figure out, unless you use that filter, that propane extracts oils out of the line and will clog up the heater. Now, I say you can connect it directly. I think you can. I don't know that as much about it as I need to. But anyway, we won't be doing that. I just want to show you the accessories you need if you did want to connect it, have your propane tank outside and have your heater inside. Like I say, it says it is indoor safe, low oxygen sensor, tilt, turn off. But I would still want to use or have a window cracked just for my own personal peace of mind. Now, if I were to connect this tank up here and have it on the outside of the van, I have one window in the back, those back doors that opens, and I can open that, run that hose in, and leave that crack in that window. I think would be sufficient. So let's see if we can remember how to get this thing going. Off pilot, I guess we push that down and light it. It's been so long I've forgotten. Let's turn this off and then we'll turn it back on once we get it lit. There we go. We just had to push it a second time. And we're holding it down. We're going to let it up now and turn it on low. And you see it ignite. We have it on low. That will be 4,000 BTUs. If in reading the material, I think it says on low it will run 5 hours, on high maybe 2.5 on 1 pound canister. And mounting the canister, this bracket tilts out so that you can screw it on, and then when it's empty it'll tilt out where you can unscrew it. But it's secured in that position right there on that stand, or inside the little Mr. Buddy. It is an open flame, so it needs room in front of it. Can't hardly see the open flame, but now that heat element will turn red here shortly. We'll turn it off and wait till it gets good and warm and see how it feels. We'll also turn it up on high. Okay, the heat element has gotten reddish orange now. And I said these are radiant heaters. There is no fan inside. They just simply radiate heat, and most of the heat, of course, is going to come up. I think the safety feature says needs 2 feet in the front, 1 feet on both sides, and maybe 2 feet over top or 3 feet over top. I'm not sure about the back. It's on that panel there somewhere. I guess I should read it, but anyway. Okay, let's turn it up on high. Well, you can see a marked increase in the flame, and obviously that is going to produce a lot more heat and use up the propane much quicker. So we're going to let this run for a little bit, but again, you can hook up these 20 or larger tanks with a hose and using the filter. Okay, we're going to close this down and that'll be a wrap. We'll get it uploaded.